Welcome to my channel! Hello kids! I'm your teacher Zell. Welcome to science class. Science 3 Quarter 2 Week 3 Day 1. Our learning objective: by the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify living and non-living things in the surroundings. 2. Describe the differences between living things and non-living things. Classify objects and organisms as living and non-living things. 4. Give examples of living things and non-living things. Today, we're going to study about characteristics of living things. Are you ready, kids? Let's go! Look around the classroom and outside the window. What are some things you see? Do you want to play a game, kids? Let's play a game. The mechanics of this game: point out something that you think is alive. Circle at something that is not alive. Let's go, kids! I have here a bag, a dog, a pencil, a boy, a chair, and a bird. Which do you think is a living things? Point to us. Good job, kids! What else? Very good! What else, kids? Good job! Now, encircle the things that are non-living things. Very good, kids! What else? Good job! And the last one we have, very good, pencil. Today, we're going to discover how we can tell if something is alive or not. Let's explore and find out together. Observe picture 1 and picture 2. What do you see in these pictures? Take a look at the picture, kids. How about this picture? Have you seen this object before? Or have you seen this object in real life? What do you notice about the things in the first picture? What about the second picture? Can you think of any reasons why the things in the first picture are alive and the ones in the second picture are not. I have here a card, kids. The first one is living, and the example of that, the dog is living. It is breathing and playing in the yard. The second card is non-living. Example, the pencil is not living. It does not grow or move. Okay, class? Now question, have you ever wondered why a tree grows but a rock does not? Why do animals move but chairs stay in one place? That are the questions that we are going to answer later on. Now for the activity, before we proceed, safety guidelines first. Stay close to your classmates and teacher. Don't touch anything unless your teacher says it's okay. If you see something unsafe, tell the teacher immediately. Now, let's perform the activity 1, alive or not. Are you ready, kids? Now for the activity sheet, we have here the activity number 1 for week 3, day 1, quarter 2. Lesson titled is alive or not. Let's investigate. The materials needed are none and the durations of the activity is 25 minutes. 1. Listen carefully to your teacher reminders before going outside. Follow safety rules at all times. Go around the school ground and look for 5 living things like plants and animals and 5 non-living things like rocks, toys, or benches. 3. Copy the table below in your notebook and list what you observe. We have here the table. The first column is the living things and non-living things. Here's the guide questions. A. Living things. Choose 2 living things from your list and complete these sentences. 1. The blank is a living thing because it can grow, respond to its surroundings, and reproduce. 2. The blank is a living things because it changes as it grows and can move or react to things around it. B. Non-living things. Choose 2 non-living things from your list and complete these sentences. 1. The blank is a non-living things because it does not grow or reproduce. 2. The blank is a non-living things because it does not respond to anything around it. Look at the picture below. Decide if each one is living or non-living. Write L for living and NL for non-living on the blank. Then complete the sentence to explain your answer. The first one is done for you. We have here, for number 1, we have rooster. It is living because it grows and runs when it is afraid of something it sees. We have 2, rock. It is blank because blank. For number 3, we have eggs, and for number 4, we have mushrooms. So you're going to answer that. And for number 1, this is done for you. L is the answer because the rooster is a living thing. It grows and runs when it is afraid of something it sees. Now, are you ready to answer, kids? Alright. Now, finding practical application. I have here a mongo. Look at this small object. This is a mongo seed, and do you think this is a living thing or non-living thing? What is your answer? It is a living thing or it is not a living because it is not moving. Alright? Another question, kids. If I put this seed in a drawer and leave it there, will it grow? What is your answer, kids? No, it will not grow. It will just stay the same. Good job, kids! What if I plant this seed in soil and water it every day? What will happen? What is your answer, kids? It will grow into a plant or it will sprout and become a new mongo plant. Good job, kids! Look at this picture. Here, I have two seeds. One is dry and hasn't been planted, and the other is starting to sprout. Which one look more like a living thing? What is your answer, kids? The sprouting seed looks more alive, or the dry seed looks like it's just an object. Very good, kids! Does this mean the dry seed is not living? It's not living? Possible answer, kids, for that. What is your answer? It is still living, but it needs soil and water to grow. Or it is sleeping, waiting to grow. Very good, kids! Now, let's classify this object into two groups. Which group does the seed belong to? Living things or non-living things? What is your answer, kids? It's a living. Very good. Even though it is not growing now, it has the ability to grow, so it is classified as a living thing. What about this rock, kids? Is it living or non-living? What is your answer, kids? Very good. It is non-living. Good job, kids! Let's name more things in our surroundings. Can you give me examples of living things in our school community? We have here a dog. Very good. A cat. And a tree. Of course. Yes, a people. Now, can you give me an example of non-living things around us? Of course, we have chair, a book, a table, and a rack. Living things are the things that grow, breed, and make more of their own kind, like plants and animals. Non-living things do not grow or make more of themselves, like rocks and tables. Complete the statement by filling in the blanks. We can tell that something is a living thing based on our observation. Living things can blank and blank be blank to get air, make more living things E blank to get energy, and R blank to make what's around them. What is your answer, kids? Of course, our answers grow, move, breathe, eat, and response. Very good, kids! Are you ready for the evaluation, kids? Do you have any questions? Okay, ready, kids? Let's start. For instruction, read each situations and then choose the letter of the correct answer. 1. Which of the following is a living thing? A. A rock. B. A tree. C. A chair. And D. A toy car. 2. What is the main difference between living and non-living things? A. Living things can move but non-living things cannot. B. Living things grow and change while non-living things do not. C. Living things are always bigger than non-living things. D. Non-living things need food but living things do not respond to their environment. 3. Which group contains only non-living things? A. Butterfly, cloud, river. B. Sun, pencil, book. C. Dog, flower, wind. D. Fish, mountain, and fire. 4. Which of these is a characteristics of all living things? A. They can talk. B. They need water. C. They are made of metal. D. They never change. 5. Which pair correctly classify this object? A. Living apple, cat. Non-living bicycle, rain. B. Living cat. Non-living apple, bicycle, rain. C. Living apple, cat, rain. Non-living bicycle. D. Living bicycle, rain. Non-living apple, cat. Now let's check, kids. For the answer key, we have 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, and 5B. Good job, kids! See you next time. Thank you for listening.